Hello everybody, it's me, this little ostrich, and in today's video it's going to be a quick little one. We're going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to make yourself a animated wallpaper. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's dive right into it. So first off, open up the Windows Play Store, which should look like this. Just open it, and then we're going to look for an application called Lively Wallpaper. So just let it load in. Give me a second. Good. So this basically is a recognized app for giving you animated wallpapers. As you can see, very nice wallpapers they have. So just download it from the get. Yeah. I'll also show you how to disable this wallpaper if it is causing performance issues, which might happen if you're running a game and it's taking up resources and you're not even looking at it. So it's about 400 megabytes, so I'm going to cut right over to when it's fully downloaded. Okay, so now it's installed after like 3 minutes while I was looking at memes on Discord. So once it's finished, open it up, and as you can see, it's initializing the process or whatever it does. I just want to sound smart. And it should open this pretty nice looking application. So let's exit out of this and look at the wallpapers. So we have 0 active wallpapers, and we're just gonna pick a random one. They have a couple that you can choose from. The gallery is coming soon, so that's gonna be like a bunch of random wallpapers. So they're gonna give you some, options. So we're just gonna pick one that looks nice, such as fluid. So this reacts with the cursor, and on the control panel you'll be able to manage the wallpapers. So as you can see, I have 2 monitors, which I can only show one because so they have a bunch of methods, but we're basically just going to be pressing OK. So once we press OK, we are going to see that our wallpaper has been activated, and it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Very reactive, very fluidy. So yeah, that's how you add wallpapers. So once you finish with that, there's also there's an update page, so you can like check for updates and stuff. So they've recently upped this on the May of 2024, and it is July. So it's been a while, and they've added some fixes. One of the devs have a weird monitor display thing, but they seem to be working on this, and I like it so far. I've used it, and it's very cool, very fluid if you want to have a nice little wallpaper to customize yourself. So yeah, they have a Patreon, so you can support it. They have some themes, so you can just make a dynamic, so you adapt to the wallpaper, stuff like that. Yeah, you can also search up wallpapers such as fluid or something, I don't know. So like fluids, or like I don't know, I'm just guessing over here, man. So yeah, they give you some stuff. You can set as the wallpaper preview, customize, open the file location, or show. It's basically already these are like pre-downloaded for you, so you can do stuff with it. You can also change some stuff, such as the vertical and also the PNG that it uses for the living room. So, and also you can change the vertical and horizontal axis for it, and also the zoom. And also you can add a cap for 24 FPS, so you can unlock it, and then it can be like dependent. So yeah, that's about it. You can just change wallpapers, I guess, so that it looks cool, whatever you prefer. So as you can see, this is one that looks pretty cool. I imagine you can change it up a bit by customizing it. Like right here, they have individual stats. So as you can see, these are all different in their own way. So this is an interactive periodic table of elements. So eventually this is going to be like a category where people can use this as a category and then copy it over to like something else. So instead of the periodic table, it'd have sounds or something. Rainy would have like different landscapes, you know, that type of thing. So yeah, definitely pretty cool. I like this one too. It monitors your own system stats, which is actually pretty cool. So it shows that I have i5 4430 and on R9 3090 series, which I'm waiting for the modified drivers for. And this and this. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and have a good day.